Alright guys, I got an update today on the CTS, and it's not a good one. Car through the p06dc code, and I don't know if you guys know what that is. Can't show you right now. It's at the shop now. Guy hasn't taken the stuff off yet, but it's the oil solenoid valve, which is, you can't see it now. You gotta take that heat shield off, which I took 2 bolts off and put it back on. But you have to move that exhaust out the way. It's basically a solenoid. It's down off up in here. You have to move the Cadillac converter off, get up underneath there, and it's right above the oil filter. Sorry about that, guys. Had a guy come out and start talking to me. Yeah, like I said, had to take that Cadillac converter off down there, top and the bottom. It's a little plug, solenoid, and it looks like this here. Little plug here. It's the p06dc code, and it's this little thing right here. It's far and few videos on YouTube about it. The 2.5 liter and the 2.0 T, the LTG engine, especially in the same spot for the Malibus and the ATS, CTS, everything with the 2.5, 2.0. But it's this right here. The guy hasn't gotten to it yet. I wanted to shoot a video where he kind of had it pulled apart so I can show you guys exactly where it's at, where it's above the oil filter. Like I said, behind that Cadillac converter down there, I have to take that and remove this heat shield here. But not good news, but hopefully we'll get that fixed and she'll be running good again. I have the engine cover, I just took it off. So just replaced this here too. I wish I could remember what that was, but don't quite remember, but just replaced that. I've actually had to replace these hoses here also. They had cracks in them. They're known for cracking and holes and everything. Replaced this here also. That was the EGR, or I don't know, I can't remember. But I remember how to replace that. It was stuck open, so I had to replace that also. So other than that, no really bad things that's been going on. The car, just little things here and there and here. And that's all we got for today. Give you guys another update once it gets fixed. And I'm going to see if that's the actual problem. It should be. I've done thorough research on it. So this should fix my issue. I have another thing that I have to also get done. And that would be, as many people know with these Q systems, that would be next on my agenda. Yeah, it's done. It's through. It's over with. When I do that video, I'll try to do it myself, and I'll look it up and make a video for me replacing this. Haven't looked thoroughly to it. Actually, I have to do it on this one, and I have to do it on my wife's. She has an ATS. So I should have 2 videos coming to that soon. But I'll check you guys later. Come back let you guys know, did that fix the problem? Because if it didn't, then I guess we'll have another video, another troubleshooting video. If it did, then I'll let you guys know.